Hello friends, so today I am going to talk about Apriori algorithm. In the last video we have discussed few important concepts related to Apriori algorithm. But in this video I am going to discuss how to form a strong relation among given items. So I will formulate here two items. First item set is called CK, which is nothing but candidate item set. Second is frequent item set. So this is the important item set, frequent item set, and it will be formulated with the help of CK. Actually, we prune some unnecessary items from this CK, and we just keep doing this thing until LK becomes null set. So let's take a look at into example. So this is the example. Here we have 9 transactions. Transaction 1, transaction 2, transaction 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the first transaction, somebody purchases 3 items, item 1, item 2, item 3. In the second transaction, some person purchases item 2, item 2, item 4, and so on so forth. So here in this problem itself, we have minimum support 2, means out of 9 transactions, any item should have occur at least 2 times. So this is one qualifying condition in order to establish a relation, association relation. Another condition would be confidence should be at least 70%. So based on these two conditions, we are going to establish a strong relation among given items. So first we will see these list of items. So basically we have only 5 different items: item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. For example, here item 1, item 2, item 3, here item 1, item 2, item 4, here item 2, item 4. So overall we have distinct items only 5. So now I am going to set the frequency. Frequency is nothing but support. So how many times I1 has occurred? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. How many times this I2 has happened? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. So in this way we will just write their support. So this is I1 6 times, I2 7 times, I3 6 times, 2 times, 2 times. Now we will try to find out which item has frequency less than 2. So here all items qualify that criteria. The criteria was support should be 2, at least support should be 2. So everybody qualifies that criteria. So we will form L1 with the help of CK. Why? Because we are trying to find out those item set which have happened at least 2 times. So here every item has minimum support 2, so we will collect them in L1. Now after doing this, we will try to formulate 2 item set. 2 item, what do you mean by 2 item set? 2 item set means in any transaction there should be exactly 2 items involved. Like if there are 5 items like I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. So I am going to formulate. So if I club these two, so it becomes I1, I2. If I club I1 with this I3, it becomes I1, I3. Similarly with this I1, I4. I1, I5. Now if I club I2 with I1, it doesn't give any meaning, because whether you take I1 I2 or I2 I1, we are just trying to find out association. Here combination matters, we are not targeting on permutation. So I will take item 2, item 3. So here we club this with this item 2, item 4 and item 2, item 5. So item 2, item 5, item 2, item 4 and item 3, item 4, item 4, item 5. So these are the possible 2 item set. So after having this, we will formulate C2. So here we have written all possible 2 item set, and now we will write their support, means how many times they have occurred in the transactions, set of transactions. So this has happened 4 times, 4 times, 1 times, 2 times, 4 times, and this has never happened. You can check I3, I4 has never happened. So let's see here, I3, I4. You will never find I3, I4. You will never find I3, I4. I3, I4 together you will never find here in this list. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we will collect only those items which have at least 2 times minimum support. So here 4, 4, 4, 2, 4. So we will remove this one. So this is called pruning stage. We will prune this. And now we have collected these frequent item set. And in fact this is called 2 item set. 2 item set. After this, again we will do 3 item set. So we have only these 2 possibilities, I1, I2, I3. I1, I2, I5. There could be other possibilities, but they may not qualify that criteria, minimum support. So minimum support should be 2. So if minimum support is 2, we will include into L3 set. This is frequent set. So here we have, after having this 3 set, I am going to formulate 4 item set. So 4 item set. So if we club them, so it becomes I1, I2, I3 and I5. I1, I2, I3, I5. Let's try to find out I1, I2, I3, I5. Just try to check. I1, I2, I3, I5. Do you have any transaction related? Yes, you have one transaction. So here minimum, here support would be 1. But the condition is support should be at least 2. So minimum support should be 2. So this does not qualify. So L4 becomes null set. Once L4 becomes null set, we will stop the algorithm. So there is one property called as Apriori property. So here if we take this example, this item set, so here all subset should be from L2, because this is 3 item set. This is 3 item set. Here if we take its subset like this and this, so these are 2 item set. So these 2 item set should come from L2. L2 means frequent item set. So this property should be this should hold by any frequent item set. So after that we will get into this. So here we have seen L4 becomes 5. In fact C4 also was 5. Now Yeah, so this is the final step where we have list of those items. So here we have one item set, two item set, three item set. So these are three possible: one item set, two item set, and three item set. So in this list, all items have occurred at least two times. So they qualify that criteria of minimum support should be 2. Now we have to apply the next criteria where we are going to apply that confidence should be 70%, at least 70%. So first we will take this set and we will try to find out all its subset. So here, yeah, so if we take subset I2, I1, I2, so I1, I2, somebody purchases I1, I2, what is the likelihood that person will also purchase I5? So we just need to write in the denominator support I1, I5. In the numerator we need to write support I1, I2, I5. And we have seen already support here is support, it has 2 and it has 4. So 2 by 4 it becomes 0.5, which is nothing but 50%. So this does not qualify that criteria. The correct criteria was minimum support minimum confidence should be 70%. In the same way, this qualifies because here support is 2 and in the denominator we have support 2, so 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, which is 100%. So this qualifies. So this simply means that if somebody purchases this item, these two items, it's likely that that person will also purchase item 2. But here if a person purchases these two items, it is less likely that person will also purchase item 5. Similarly, if we flip this situation, it means if a person purchases item 1, and what is the likelihood that person will also purchase I2, item I2 and I5. So here we need to write support of 1 and here we need to write support I1, I2, I5. So again here this comes out to be 33%, does not qualify. Here it comes out to be 29%, does not qualify. So here we have 100%. So basically we have three relation. These I5, when a person purchases I5, it is high likely that there is high chances that person will also purchase this I1 and I2, these two items. So with that I would like to stop here. Okay, thank you, bye.